Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we're going to install Stripe SDK. So let's just compose the require Stripe slash Stripe, and in this case we're just going to call it PHP. So while this is requiring and installing all relevant code, we will set up a provider called Stripe Service Provider. So this, we just want to have a small bit of code in it where we add a singleton so we can easily access this Stripe Service Provider. So in here, we're going to just add in inside here and make sure we import the Stripe client. So we create a new client. So that's now imported, which is perfect. We also want to just go ahead and create a config file. So this is called stripe.php. And then here, let's just add in this code here with the PHP tag obviously as well. So we just want to have the secret and the key, basically, to easily access it. So we also want to copy this into the register method because that's actually the relevant place. And outside that, just make sure you add, I'm not going to show you my env configurations for this, but make sure you add in the Stripe key and the Stripe secret. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well.